Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're getting rid of your Osmo Pocket 3. Maybe you want to stick to your phone. Maybe you're sticking to another action camera. How do you actually go ahead and factory reset your Osmo Pocket 3? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So we're first going to go ahead and turn on our Osmo Pocket 3. Then you're going to go ahead and swipe down and then click on this hexagon icon on the bottom left hand corner. Afterwards, you're going to scroll down and what you're looking for is a factory reset button. So you're going to see here that right there is the factory reset menu option. So once you click on that, just go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts in order to go ahead and factory reset your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and factory reset your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.